Great morning, great morning. Listen, first of all, I want y'all to realize that you can live the lifestyle that you want to live. Whatever lifestyle you want to live, you can live it. Okay? The second thing I want to say is wherever you're at right now in your life, you're there because of your thought process and all the steps that you made 5 years ago. Everything you did within those 5 years, all of the plans you made, the goal setting, whatever, you're living in the results right now. Okay? So now what I want you to think about is the next 5 years and the way you want to live. My thought process is what got me out of the projects and owning a 6-figure company. Okay? And I'm trying my best to help my people, right? So a young lady just came in my office and we had a discussion about a good job. And I asked her, what is a good job? I just want to know your thoughts. I asked my son the same question. And it's crazy because they both kind of gave me the same answer. She said $16 an hour, you know. And my son said $20 an hour. Okay, so we're gonna play a little game. $16 an hour is a good job, and remind me, I just told you that you can live an abundance life. Whatever lifestyle you want to live, you choose. You create your lifestyle. If you want to be in a mansion, you can be in a mansion. If you want to be one, if you want to be in a $500,000 house, you can be in that. If you want to be in a $100,000 house or whatever you choose to be, you create it. You got to build it up to that, okay? So why are people settling? That's my whole point. Let's do 16. $16 an hour. Now, you times that by 40. It equals $640 a week, okay? So, 640 times 4, you're looking at 2560 monthly, okay? I don't know whether y'all can see this or not, but that's $2,560 a month is what you will be bringing home at $16 an hour. Okay? So, I don't know about you guys, but my rent is $11.66. Take away $11.66 equals rent. We're going to take that away, and now we are left with $13.94. I don't know about you guys, but my car note is $520. Okay, let's take away $520. Trying to do this real quick. Take away $520 for the car, and we are left with $874. I didn't get to the lights and the water yet, but let's do that. Take away lights. We're gonna say I don't know what y'all light bill is. I'm gonna just say $200. Lights, $200. We're gonna be left with $674. Do I need to keep going on? Because I didn't get to the gas. I didn't get to food. I didn't get to kids. If you got a girlfriend, then you screwed right about now, okay? But you get my drift. How is that a good job? That keeps you, that people that will settle for that, you would actually have to find a spouse. And then you would have to shack up with somebody that's making money, and then you guys go half on stuff. But then what if the shit don't work out? Now, I'm telling you this because this is the type of stuff that I had to experience myself. And I used to think the same way. Man, if I could just get a job that pays $16 an hour, woo, I'd be good, right? Wrong. Mind me, I've never worked a job that paid me $16 an hour. I was lucky if I got a job that paid me $10 an hour. And I actually worked 3 jobs. I had to work 3 jobs in order to take care of my kids. And they all were crappy jobs. And I was only making $600 and bringing home like $600 and some change a week, working 3 part-time jobs. That was horrible, okay? But I did that, saved up my money to start this business. Because when you start a business, there is no limit to the amount of money that you could bring in, okay? Working a job is going to keep you in that bubble. Let's do $20 an hour, because my son said 20. $20 an hour. Let me put that up here. This is really interesting. Times 40, we got $800 a week. Now I ain't gonna lie. That's pretty good for a teenager. That's damn good. You know, that might be sustainable for a teenager. But I just said at the beginning of this video, times that by 40, we got $3,200 a month. Now, I just said at the beginning of this video that you can live an abundance life, right? We all agree that you can live whatever lifestyle that you want to live. If you want to be in a mansion, you could be in a mansion. If you want to be in wherever, whatever you want to do, you can live that lifestyle. But you have to want it. You have to choose it. You have to think it in order to get there. A lot of people don't think it. You keep thinking like this, you won't ever get there. That's the purpose of this video. $20 an hour, we're at $3,200 a month. Okay? We can do the same math. Let's do it. 3,200. Take away $1,166 for your rent. That leaves you with $2,034. You take away $520. You got your car note. That leaves you with $1,514, right? Take away light bill. I said $200 for light bills. $1,314. Okay. Take away your oh, you gotta have insurance to drive the car, right? Fuck. Whew. My insurance is $240, but I ain't even gonna do you like that. I'm gonna just take away $200. Now you are left with $1,114, okay? For the whole month. You got kids. You want to save. So, money is still going to be tight. It's still going to be hell. You see what I'm saying? And if you don't change your mind process, you'll be living in this hell forever, for a long time. You got to change your mindset in order to get out of it. You know, if I was still in the same thought process of a good job process, I would be still dreading coming to work, listening to what I couldn't stand the manager. I don't care what job you get. It's always going to be one person there to piss you off. Except for when you're working for my company, because my employees, they happen to work by themselves. But you still got to deal with clients and stuff like that. For the most part, if they're doing move outs, they work by themselves. But you get what I'm saying. You have a boss and you're being told what days you can take a break. And if you have to call out, you got to deal with people's attitudes. You calling out. It's just, why deal with it? When I tell you, I left every job that I've ever been hired. Every single one. I quit. I could not take being managed. I didn't think I was better than anybody else. Let me put this out there. I was one of the best employees. I can say that. You can ask anybody that ever managed me. I know they know I was one of the best ones up in there. I would get the job done, come to work on time. I was serious about what I was doing or whatever. If someone would talk to me reckless or whatever, I was gone quick. I can't tolerate that. I never could tolerate people talking to me all kind of ways, you know, and being smart out the mouth and all that funny sarcasm and shit. I could not take it. I was gone out the door. Okay. But when I look back at my past, I say, it was a reason. I can't work for nobody else. I have to work for myself. Okay? And I think I'm a pretty damn good boss. Okay? But what's a good job? Let me know your thoughts. What's a good job? $16 an hour? $13 an hour? $20 an hour? Here's the thing. As long as you're getting paid by the hour, they're only going to let you work 40 hours a week. So you're put in a bubble. So you have to live within that bubble. So if I'm making $20 an hour, which you said it was a good job. That's what you said. This is a good job. I have to live within this bubble. That's $3,200 a month. Now, why do you want to do that? Soon as you start to think that, how can I make $3,200 a week? Fuck a month. Soon as you start thinking like that, your mindset is going to shift. And you're going to start thinking of different ways you can make more money. Because who wants to make that a month? You just said you could live an abundance life. You said you wanted to live anywhere. I just told you could do whatever you want. You create your lifestyle. So why are you settling? Why do people settle? Stop saying that's a good job. It's good if that's what you want to settle for. But if you're striving for abundance, that's not good. When you're striving for abundance, you have to try to think, how can I make this every week? How can I make this every day? As soon as you start thinking that way, your money will slowly, your brain is just going, everything is going to shift. You were like, damn, how can I do it? How can I do it? How can I do it? This is the thoughts process that I had to come up with. I was like, okay, you know what I have to do? I got to have about 32 clients. I have to hire a certain amount of people. See, my mindset started to shift. Okay? Just trying to wake my people up. That's all. I hope y'all got my drift this morning, but just wanted to do this really quick video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the videos if you're getting any kind of value or whatnot. And leave some comments down below and let me know what's a good job.